Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how you can get the SOCR Outsider blueprint in one human. The SOCR Outsider is a purple rarity weapon and it is an assault rifle which is very versatile and remains effective throughout the game. Now, to get this weapon, you need a wish machine. And to build a wish machine, you first have to unlock it in the mematics menu. So press go to mematics, and then go to logistics. And if we scroll down a little bit, here you will find wish machine. Now you can unlock it from here. And once you have unlocked it, you will go to build menu by pressing B, then right click, and under facilities and function facility, you will find wish machine here. You will need some basic material like copper ingot, rusted part, metal scraps, rubber, and glass. Now you can place it anywhere on your base. After that, we will go to the wish machine, press F, and in the very first game, I will click here and let it just load. And here in the top left corner, as you can see, SOCR Outsider is an reward that you can get by playing this game. Now, directly buying it will cost you 3000 star crown, which is a significant investment. And that's it for today's video. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.